Okay, hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrington, Sydney. I've got a Porsche 996 that I've installed a external fuel gauge, because this car here was a 3.4 and now it's got a 3.6 motor in it. Everything's running fine except the fuel gauge, and I'm gonna fit a button for the actual AC, because the AC is different on the car as well. It's a different system. 3.4 is different from the 3.6, but this car's got a 3.6 motor. Okay, so I've fitted the actual computer to actually relay the information to the fuel gauge from the fuel level sender at the front. So that's the only way to make it work. Otherwise, it's just too hard to run a new wiring harness. So the only way to do it is do it this way, external fuel gauge. So it's on empty right now. So let's go and look at the gauge. The fuel level sender. I've taken the fuel level sender out. So I'm just going to show you. See, it's on empty now. So I'm going to move it to half. Actually, about a bit higher than that. So half or about there. That's halfway. So the little processor here will tell the fuel gauge to go to the right segment. So roughly halfway. Doesn't have to be. That's about halfway now. Before it was empty. Let's go back and put it in 3/4. About 3/4 about there. It's 3/4 now. 3/4 full, sort of. Nearly at full anyway, so let's just go to full. That's full there. Yeah, it's full. Let's go to empty. The most important thing is, line is the actual light, is the empty. Because if it's empty, you gotta fill up. So that's on empty right now. That's on the lowest level. Come through here. Empty. All right, that's showing empty now. So now I'm gonna solder the wire, tape it up, and I'm gonna put it back together and then go from there. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.